In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for competitive research step by step 2026. If you're evaluating competitors, launching a new feature, or refining your positioning, Claude can help you compare options quickly and clearly. We'll keep this simple. You'll open Claude, write a focused prompt that spells out exactly what to compare and what matters most to you, hit enter, and review the results. Along the way, I'll share ways to phrase your request so you get structured, actionable insights instead of vague summaries. Start by opening your browser and heading to Claude's new chat page. Give the page a second to load so you're starting in a fresh conversation. A clean thread keeps the context tight, which helps Claude stay on topic and present clear comparisons. Now, craft a strong prompt. Tell Claude exactly which competitors to compare and what you care about. Be specific about the audience, use case, and evaluation criteria. A solid starting prompt might be, compare two leading small business CRMs for a team of 10-25 people. Focus on pricing tiers, onboarding speed, core features, integrations with email and calendars, customer support quality, security and compliance, and ideal customer profiles. Highlight pros and cons for each, common deal breakers, and key differentiators. Present findings in a concise, well-structured format with clear headings, a quick summary up top, and a short recommendation for which tool fits a budget-conscious team. If you need a regional angle or a time frame, include that too, like focus on North America in 2026 or reflect changes launched in the last 12 months. The more precise your priorities, the better Claude will tailor the output. Press enter and let Claude generate the results. When the response appears, scan the overview first to confirm it matches your criteria, then review each section to see how the tools stack up. If something is missing or too high level, ask for a revision in the same chat. You can say, add a side-by-side summary, quantify pricing with estimated monthly totals for 15 users, or call out which features are native versus third-party integrations. If you see bold claims or numbers you want to validate, request sources or ask Claude to flag items that typically change often. Keep iterating until the comparison is immediately usable for your brief, slide, or email. And that's it, really easy and efficient. Open Claude, write a targeted comparison prompt that centers your must-have criteria, submit it, and refine the output until it's crisp and decision-ready. With a few clear instructions, you'll turn competitive research from hours of tab hopping into a structured summary you can trust and share.